Hey guys, this is Noelle. I made this little tutorial to show you guys how to make a easy sign up genius. So first off, you want to go to Sign Up Genius and sign in. And then the first thing you want to do when you're in Sign Up Genius is to create a sign up. And it's going to be up here. It's going to bring you to this page right here. And right now you're just going to title your sign up. I'm just going to put Jogathon because that's simple. And then after you hit Jogathon, you're going to want to go to select a group. Now I have second grade and kindergarten in here. I personally have to change those. So to change, you hit that little plus sign. I would have to change to third grade, but you know what? For this one, let's also change it to like the school. So you can either put St. Helens, or for this one, I'm just going to type in the whole school. After that, you're going to want to go to the category. I usually either do fundraising or volunteering. For this one, I'll put volunteering. That's going to be the easier option there. And then for category, I usually always put education. For the next part, you want to go to change theme, and you'll see there's a lot of cool little themes on here. Most are free. The one with the little ribbons are the ones where you have to have the premium account to do. I just have a normal account, so I don't use those ones. You can go in the search bar and type in what you're looking for. I'm just typing in Halloween. And as you can see, they have a lot of cute little options here. They got a lot of fall ones. And then as I scroll down, you'll see some more Halloween-y ones. Got some apples there. I kind of like the cute little one right here, so I'm going to pick this black one right there. After you've picked a theme, you're going to want to go to this little edit button. And this is the pre-made text. It has just a little generic message letting people know to check the slots below and pick something. You can either add on to it like I'm going to right here, or you can completely erase the entire thing and just make your own welcome greeting explaining what this Sign Up Genius is for. Once you're done doing that, just go ahead and click done, and it's going to take you back to this and hit save and continue right here. Next, it's going to take you to your 4 options of the format you want. We have sort by date, sort by slot, slots only, single date RSVP. The one I usually pick is slots only, but you can play around with it and see if you like sort by date or sort by slot. This one's the easiest one for me to keep everything organized. Then you're going to want to hit the date of when the sign up ends. I would say let's just do the date of the actual Jogathon, the 31st. And then you click the add slots button. Now once you get to this screen, they're going to want you to title the slot. So this one I'm going to be very generic and just put morning volunteer. But if you want to be specific, be like morning volunteer for hospitality table, morning volunteer for keeping track of kids. I don't know, something like that. You can be a little more specific. This one I'm just going to put morning volunteer 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. because that just is a little easier for this one. You can do as many of these slots as you want. Let's say we need 4 volunteers for the morning volunteer. You're going to hit the number 4 there, or you can just type in the number 4 and then hit save. And see, there's your little morning slot. Now you're going to want to add another slot. Let's say for cleanup, same deal, cleanup volunteer. You put that and you put what time you need for them to come and the amount of people you need to come. You can also do another slot for adding items we need. So we can do volunteers, but also things we need donated. So we're going to hit add slot again. And here we're going to put down that we need cases of water, for instance, because I know we're going to need water, food, whatever else we can get donated to us. And then also in the comments, you can be more specific, like why we need water donations. So we need water for the kids, something generic like that. And then amount of things we need, number needed. Let's say we need 6 cases of water to make sure all the kids have water. And And then you can also add whatever else we're going to need for the next one. So hit add another slot. This one, let's do cup of fruit for the kids, our fruit cups. And then just, you don't need to add a comment, or you can't add a comment, doesn't matter. You can be specific and let them know this will be a full donation. So whoever donates this needs to bring the whole 120. And then we're going to put 1. Once you feel like you've done enough slots for volunteers and for items needed, we can move on to the next step and hit save and continue. This is going to take you to your settings. So I always put the email is required and comments are optional, so they can leave a comment if need be. I don't like to allow people to swap slots with each other because sometimes that can get a little messy. They can reach out to us if they need to do something like that. There's also for the notifications, notify me by email. I like that because I get to keep track of who's going to be doing what. That one, just hit save and continue. Just hit publish and then boom, you've created your first sign up genius. Congratulations. From here, it'll take you to your code. This is going to be the direct link to your sign up genius. You can send that link to Jessica, Dyra, Miranda, and they can put that out to whoever they need to put that out to. And then you can keep track of everything through your email or checking the sign up genius. Have a great day.